Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 10th of September. First of all, national news. Kerala journalist Siddiqui Kappan in UP jail since 2020 has been granted bail by the Supreme Court. IMF director congratulated PM Modi on India's economic recovery from COVID pandemic. Rajnath Singh, S. Jaishankar called on Japanese PM in Tokyo after 2+2 talks. UP perfume trader Piyush Jain, from whom 200 crore cash, 23 kg gold seized, got bail. Common University entrance test result for undergraduates to be declared by September 15. Protocol violated. Soldier Lance Nayak Gopal Singh Bhadoria's family returned gallantry award sent by post. Family said such medals are always conferred at ceremony. Over 1,000 dogs around Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh given anti-rabies shots to protect cheetahs arriving in India. Pakistan trade body asked government to allow cotton imports from India. Son of liberal, daughter of vegetable seller, cracked medical exam NEET in Odisha. And now some international news. Queen Elizabeth II, Britain's longest reigning monarch, died at 96. British royals begin official period of mourning for Queen Elizabeth will last until 7 days after her state funeral. Royal gun salute for Queen, 96 rounds to mark each year of her life. Queen Elizabeth's funeral to take place on September 19. Britain's new monarch King Charles greeted people outside Buckingham Palace. UN chief in Pakistan to boost flood aid for millions affected. Google pays enormous sums to stay number one search engine, US judge told. And now some sports news. Matthew Hayden appointed Pakistan mentor for 2022 T20 World Cup. Caroline Garcia reached the semi-finals of the US Open before going down to Ons Jabeur. On comeback trail, Ajinkya Rahane slammed double ton in the Leap Trophy. And now news related to business. BSE listed firm's market capitalization all-time high of rupees 282.66 lakh crore. Euro holds above two-decade low before European Central Bank decision. India banned export of broken rice after 20% export tax amid drought in 4 states. Rice production likely to fall by 10 to 12 million ton in Kharif season, government. India-US to hold trade policy forum meet very soon. Nirmala Sitharaman outlined steps to check illegal fraud loan apps operations. Banks loans rose 15.5% from a year ago in the 2 weeks to August 26. Equity mutual funds inflows dropped to 10-month low of rupees 6,120 crore in August. Russia's exclusion potentially paved ways for India into global bond index. Russian Unistream Bank in talks on instant money transfers to India, Turkey. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 10th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 34 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.